Here's a small Koroit Boulder Opal nut that's been sliced in half to reveal this. We'll go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, this has been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. Rules in millimetres. It's getting towards the outside of the stone. And this is where we slice through it. Of course, that's what you could see on the outside. So I had no idea that this is in the middle. It's the problem with this material, you've got to slice it all up, and occasionally you get an extra good bit like this. That's thick enough that you can slice another piece off the back here. You can see it's still solid material through here. It's a great example of a little nut from Koroit Yower. Yower tends to be more solid centres. That's basically the difference, apart from the area. It's a slightly different area in Queensland. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.